It's the season of giving, and we happen to be in the position of having enough money to spend on others. So my mom bought this little thing to give to a family in need. It's a little, well, I'll just show you what it does. You can turn this, and it goes forward, even if you're sitting on it. I'm too big to sit on it, even though I did that in the previous video. But in addition to being that, which is already super fun, it also has this little... Okay, I think I turned it off. It's got this little button, and when you push it, it goes forward. It's... I wouldn't call it quite super quiet, but it's pretty quiet. Quiet enough that... Music. It also plays kids' music, which is not quiet. But it's pretty quiet. Could use it inside if you have not many people. I think it's adorable. I assume it comes in colors other than pink. It took 10-15 minutes to assemble. It was mostly super easy. I ran into one issue with the screws on the back wheels. One of them didn't want to go in, so I just had to hammer it in there a little bit. These back wheels, they light up individually whenever it goes forward, as do the front wheels. And even if you don't have access to electricity, which you probably do considering you're watching this video online, it does have manually, which is fun. I don't actually think the motorized portion of it is necessary, but if you have especially like a weaker or disabled kid, it could be really nice. I don't know if this is going on YouTube, but if it is, buy it down in the description below.